Hello students, welcome once again to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series, we have been seeing the derivations related to Class 12 Physics, Lesson 1 Electrostatics. This is the 16th derivation of this lesson. Come on, let us move on to the derivation. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Expression for equivalent capacitance when the capacitors are in parallel connection. Answer. Now let us have a closer look at this diagram. Here there are three capacitors which are connected in parallel. So in this case, what about the voltage? This voltage remains the same for these three capacitors. Here the voltage is V. Again here the voltage is V, again here the voltage is V. So in this parallel connection, voltage remains the same in all the capacitors, but the charges and the capacitances are different. Every capacitor has got its own charge and capacitance, so it differs from one capacitor to another. Now, when the capacitors are in parallel, their capacitances are different, charges are different, but voltages remain the same. So these three things we need to keep in our mind. When the capacitors are in parallel, the capacitances are different, the charges are also different, but the voltages remain the same in all the capacitors. Now, this is the general expression for capacitance, that is C is equal to Q by V. Therefore, Q is equal to CV. Q is equal to CV. Now, I am going to write the expression for the equivalent charge. That is QP is equal to CP into V, and Q1 is equal to C1V, Q2 is equal to C2V, Q3 is equal to C3V. In all these cases, V remains the same because it is constant, but the charge and the capacitance, they differ. In the next step, I am going to write QP is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. That is, the total charge in parallel connection is nothing but the sum of the charges present in each and every capacitor. So QP is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Now let us substitute the expressions for all these terms. CPV is equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. In the next step, in all these three terms, V is common. So it is taken out. So CPV is equal to V into C1 plus C2 plus C3. And here this V and this V get cancelled. So what do we get? CP is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. That is the equivalent capacitance when the capacitors are in parallel is equal to the sum of the individual capacitances of the capacitors. Therefore, it is said that the equivalent capacitance is equal to the sum of the individual capacitances. With this derivation has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video with another derivation.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.